Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to turn off your Face ID while installing the app on your iPhone. Now if you want to disable Face ID from App Store but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of device, and after that you just need to open settings on your iPhone, and under settings you'll see various options like airplane mode, Wi-Fi and all of it. So scroll down until you see the option of face code and passcode, face ID and passcode. From here you just need to enter your passcode, and from here you just need to select the option which you want to enable the Face ID or disable it. So here you will see the option of iPhone unlock, items and app store, contactless payment, password autofill and other apps. So you may also click on other app and enable it, disable it. So you just need to turn off the option which says iTunes and App Store, and from here you'll be able to disable your Face ID while installing the app on iPhone. So that's it. That's how you can disable Face ID while installing app on iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.